Haven't paid attention, that's where our small clips and reels come from that have that really great audio.
So let's talk about maximizing your time, condensing your time. Um, you have some, you had some cool tips that we were talking about earlier that you may want to share with everybody about your fun little software that you work with, Opus Clip. You want to share some tips on that?
Oh my gosh. Yes, I
Yeah.
love Opus Clip, guys. And I do these multiple times. But what's super, super fun, if you all haven't tried Opus Clip, I'm going to spell it out here for you so you can write it down. But it's OPUS, Opus. And basically what happens is you can give it any video. Now I'm going to download that into my computer and I'm going to put it into Opus Clip. And when I put it into Opus Clip, I'm going to tell it that I want it to focus on the specifics of a conversation or that we're doing a podcast or whatever the case is. I put that information in there and it sits there and it does this little slice and dice thing and it will bring out the best pieces. And guys, if you haven't paid attention, that's where our small clips and reels come from that have that really great audio. I found out yesterday it can also create your captions. So I was able to post to 4 different platforms, one piece of content that was being able to be used in 4 different places. To me, that is a bloomin' time saver. But this does have a free version. So you get what they call credits, and I think you get 60 credits a month on the free version. But that can cut up if you've done a live, let's say for 10 or 15 minutes. It's only like 8 credits or something like that to chop it up. And it gave me 15 to 16 pieces of content that I can choose from. 15 or 16 pieces of content. No, I've really, really enjoyed Opus Clip. It's kind of my favorite go-to free version of saving myself on content.
Y'all, it's about working smarter, not harder.